Top 10 planets in our solar system that you never heard of. Most people at least heard of boring planets such as Jupiter or Mars. But what about less famous planets in our solar system only cool people know about? Did you know that our planet Earth was 2 planets in the past? Scientists now think there might have been a planet called Theia and a planet called Young Earth 4.5 billion years ago. These 2 planets crashed into each other, creating our current planet Earth. The impact from the 2 planets crashing was huge, and it created a field of debris around our Earth. The field of debris merged into Earth's 2 moons. Yes, Earth once had 2 moons. Just like with our planets, our 2 moons crashed into one, the modern-day moon. In the 19th century, astronomers discovered the planet Ceres in our solar system, followed by the discovery of Pallas, Juno, and Vesta nearby. These 4 planets were taught to children in schools alongside the regular ones like Mercury and Venus. Soon, even more new planets started being discovered in that part of the solar system. After 100,000 new planets were discovered, scientists agreed that those kind of small planets should be renamed as a new type of celestial body, an asteroid. Ceres, Pallas, Juno, and Vesta still exist in our solar system. Vulcan is not just the name of the planet in Star Trek, where Vulcans came from. Astronomers thought it might have existed in real life in our solar system. Vulcan was predicted to exist very close to the Sun to explain Mercury's strange orbit. Hundreds of respected astronomers saw Vulcan with their own eyes and documented its color, size, and speed. However, the details of Mercury's orbit are now explained by the theory of relativity, and NASA's spacecraft confirmed that the region is empty. It is also possible that there are planets out there that once belonged to our solar system but are now roaming the galaxy. Wandering planets are not connected to any sun and are twice as numerous as the stars in our universe. Cold, dark, and hard to detect, only 4 have been discovered so far in the depths of space. 1 or more of the planets from our solar system are estimated to have had unstable orbits that led them somewhere into deep space. Astronomers still haven't found these planets. Apart from real planets, artificial ones could also be built for our solar system. An artificial planet from the Star Wars movies, the Death Star, was a moon-sized space station capable of blowing up entire worlds. In 2012, a petition to the US President Barack Obama was started to begin a construction of a Death Star by 2016, getting over 34,000 signatures. The White House officially rejected the plan for its costs of $850 quadrillion and saying that the administration does not support blowing up planets. A mystical planet in our solar system, Nibiru, is thought to be just a myth by most astronomers. Nibiru is thought to be a large undiscovered planet with an ancient alien civilization near the outer limits of our solar system. Conspiracy theorists blame its unstable orbit on Earth's pole shifts, collapses of civilizations, and electromagnetic radiation. Sometimes changed from a planet passing by to an asteroid that will hit the Earth, most scientists reject Nibiru as a conspiracy theory. It is also possible there are hidden interdimensional planets very close to us, but undetected. first proposed by religions and sci-fi writers, a view of multiple universes is now a mainstream scientific theory. Membrane universes may exist near us, and scientists are attempting to detect the gravity of objects in them. There may be planets or entire solar systems in the same space where our solar system is, but on a different dimension. Also, our own moon might one day become a full-fledged planet. Our moon gets further away from Earth every year, so it was believed it might start revolving around the Sun as a planet. Some also suggested that our moon was once the moon of Venus, captured by Earth's gravity. An alternate scenario is that in 5 billion years, the moon's orbit will reach its maximum, and the moon will then start coming closer to Earth. 5 times smaller than the moon. If Pluto was as close to the Sun as Earth, it would grow a tail like a comet. Considered a planet for 76 years, it is now reclassified as a planetoid, along with discovered Ceres, Haumea, and Eris. Its orbit sometimes takes it closer to the Sun than Neptune, meaning that Pluto and Neptune would change places for the farthest planet from the Sun. Finally, there is a planet called George, and yes, it is completely 100% real. It was never recognized as a planet by ancient observers because of its dimness and very slow orbit. Discovered to be a planet by William Herschel, it was named George after his benefactor King George III. This infuriated the international scientific community, so they decided to rename George to Uranus, the name which it holds until today. If you watch this video on Earth or any other planets orbiting our Sun, please like it and subscribe to our channel. If you're watching this from other solar systems, the like and subscribe isn't necessary since the YouTube algorithm doesn't recognize extrasolar views.